What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Math Unit 5. Worksheet 503, we're looking at calculating volume and weight of a cylinder. So in the last chunk of the unit, we just talked about weight. Okay, so we figured out in that unit, in that piece of the unit, the area of a circle. We already knew circumference, but the area, and the area was pi times radius squared, right? Pi times radius squared. Now I'm typing it out because this is on my computer, not on my iPad. So pi is the squiggle. Maybe I'll try drawing it for you here. So we got pi r squared. Drawing with a mouse is not my forte. All right, so pi r squared is what I'm talking about. That is the area of a circle. Okay, and we have two different types of circle happening over here. The one on the right is the one we did in the last unit, 502, right? We know it's 0.5 meters is the radius from center to edge, and 0.25 is the thickness of the disc. And in the last equations, we were just doing pi r squared, and we had to find out the volume, which was the area, pi r squared, area times thickness of the object, right? So volume equals area times thickness. Area is just pi r squared. To get the weight, we need to do the volume times whatever the weight factor is. Factor, right? So how much does steel weigh per cubic meter? Because volume is always in cubic meters or cubic feet. So 7,850 kilos per cubic meter, or 490 pounds per cubic foot. So the only difference between the object on the right and the object on the left is that instead of talking about thickness for the object on the left, you wouldn't say it's 2 meters thick, you would say it's 2 meters tall. But it's still the same equation, okay? Instead of thickness, it's just height. We're still going to convert to meters, or we're still going to convert to feet and do the equations in that manner, only now we are just looking at a larger number for the thickness. It becomes height once it is tall instead of shallow, right? So that's it. Pi times radius squared gives us the area. Multiply that by the thickness. That's our third number. That gives us our volume cubed. Multiply that by our factor. If it's a concrete cylinder, what does reinforced concrete weight per cubic meter per cubic foot? What does water weigh if we're looking at it's going to have water filled in it? What are we looking for? Weight of steel, 7,850 kilos per meter cubed, 490 pounds per foot cubed. So that is it. Basically, it's the exact same as worksheet 502, only now it is just a taller object instead of a skinny two-dimensional disc. It really is that simple. Okay, well, enjoy the rest of your day. I hope that lesson was helpful. Go ahead and practice up in your workbooks, and we'll catch you on the next one.